guys, we are going to be making fried rice. So here are the ingredients: panda leaves, curry leaves, cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon, and garlic and ginger. You have to separate these. Red salmon, prawns, and garlic sausage. We also have these leeks and oil
And
some dark soy
dark soya sauce.
with some British table salt, black pepper, and paprika. Also
Chili flakes. And
Also we have rice. So now you're gonna have to start the fire. Put the oil in. Little bit of time. Now you have to put all of those ingredients I told you
First
in
we
there.
put curry leaf, then
Panda leaves,
and this one.
Ceylon cinnamon.
Which cinnamon is we using?
Amino products, Ceylon cinnamon. And finally, we put the garlic and ginger in.
And we need to stir.
We need to mix it. Be careful about oil. Now we add the table salt. Mix it around more.
Cook with the medium flame.
Medium flame. Oh, it smells amazing. Now we keep on mixing it. We add all of the ingredients: garlic salt, garlic sausage, mix it around. Then the prawns. Put it to a little bit higher than the medium flame. Then the red salmon. Now you have to mix it around.
Yeah. So
Add a little bit more salt. Then the chili flakes. Now you also add a little bit of egg. You could use a spoon to crack your egg, or you can use your oven disc. It really doesn't matter. One egg is enough. Dark soy sauce. Some ketchup. Some ketchup. Now the vegetable mix.
we're using
The mix,
vegetable.
stir fry.
Vegetable.
Stir fry.
And little bit
A little bit more chili flakes.
if you want.
It's your choice if you want more chili flakes or not. Put some black pepper in. Now you put your rice in. It has to be hot.
We make rice using rice cooker
Yeah.
and mix it.
You have to mix it thoroughly until the rice becomes yellow.
And you
Add the leeks.
leeks end of the. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Now you have to wait for a few minutes and it'll be ready.
Thank you for watching our video.
Of fried rice cooking.
Yeah, and
Also, the cinnamon that we use is Amelia Products Ceylon cinnamon. It's really nice.